Hello and welcome to this ESOL Skills for Life Entry 1 Writing Assessment lesson for question 3. This time we're looking at mixed order. So at the end of this lesson you will be able to organize words into sentences and make sure that these sentences are grammatically accurate. So here is a typical example of the type of question you will get for question 3. It is important to remember that there is two parts, part A and B. So there's two sentences for question 3. And in question 3, the sentences are mostly in the present tense, so either the present simple, present continuous. The sentences are started for you, so here we have please and today. And then what we have to do is add the other parts or the other words in the correct order. Again, I will go back to this question at the end of the lesson. So let's now take a look at an example. So question 3, A, use all of these words to complete the sentence. Write your answer on the line. So as we can see here, the first word, meet, has been done for us. So we can cross that off. It's a good idea to cross the words out so you remember which words you have used and which words that are still left. Because remember, we need to use all the words. So in this example we have meet. We have to think meet who? Meet me. So asking yourself the questions who, what, where, when. Okay, so meet me, ask ourselves where? The train station. So meet me train station. We have at left. So we know meet me at the train station. Not beginning of course, to end with a full stop. Let's look at another example. So use all these words to complete the sentence. Write your answer on the line. So again, we has been done for you, so we can take that away. So we, so that's a subject, so we need some verbs. And if we look at our words, we have are, going as verbs in the sentence. So we are going, where? Where are we going? So we are going the market. So we can see then we still have two left. Where are you going to put that? We are going to the market. So we don't have to get all of the words in the correct sentence in the correct order one by one. We can group the words together and build our sentences. And of course, not forgetting to end with the full stop. Let's look at another example. We, again, there we have the subject. Now let's see if we have any verbs. There, of course, have is a verb. So we have what? What do we have? So directly after have, test. We have test. We see what words we have left. We have on a Thursday. So we have test on Thursday. So we have a. What is the noun in the sentence? We have a test on Thursday, finishing again with the full stop. A little bit far away, but it'll do okay. Another example here, use all these words to complete the sentence. Lisa as our subject. The verb is plays. So we have to think, what does Lisa play? She plays golf. So what do we have left? The at weekend. So at weekend. We've got the. So Lisa plays golf at the weekend. And of course ending with our full stop. So let's take that sort of lesson. We don't have to place them all together one by one in the correct sequence straight away. We can put the blocks together or the words together in parts, and that will make our sentence at the end. So please, and the options here we have you're the, buy, leave, bags. You're the, buy, leave, bags, and of course, sorry, door. So please, and again, if a command, please, we would usually next up have a verb. So please leave. And we have to think what, bags, where, the door. So I've got your and by left. So please leave your bags by the door. And again, we need our full stop to end. In the next example we have today, the options then are going, the, are, to, we, cinema. So today we need the subject after today. So today we. Next up the verbs. So we are going. So the, to, cinema. So we usually, if we're going somewhere, we go to, leaving us with the cinema. And of course our full stop. So now at the end of this lesson, you are able to organize words into sentences and make sure that these words have the correct grammatical structure.